What's up, guys? Today the paint has dried on the bumpers and I'm gonna be mounting them. I already got the rear done. I kind of made those mounts before I even painted the bumpers because I wanted, it was like the rear was the easy one, you know what I mean? The front's gonna suck because of my bacon fender and a couple other things, but we're gonna try and sort it out. I'm gonna turn the E30 around so it's facing this way and I can start fabricating, ganging a mount system for it, because these were metal bumpers, and in order to use these type of bumpers you need the plastic bumpers like supports, and I don't have those and they're like way too much money. So fuck all that. We got all this metal in the corner making it happen, boys, and it doesn't really go all the way around.
Worst case, you spray it red, and if you really don't like it, go to AutoZone, get a little bottle of black touch-up paint, and then just brush it on yourself.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm painting it. I got all the paint. Let's see what we got over here. I got some sandpaper. I sanded that one. I got to take the other bumper off. I got the red, clear, and primer.
Wow. Look at this. How much was all that, if you don't mind the viewers knowing?
$223. $232.
Big money out here.
And I bought some of these just to have them because they were $1.50. Bunch of razor blades. But I got to take the bumper off the rear. Also, let's check this. They're making some noise. I got to make a bracket. I want to make kind of new brackets. Where the brackets are, how it's like, if you look at it, it's dipped, comes up and dips, and then comes up.
Oh yeah, I see that. It's so really bad.
I want to cut the top. I welded like little plates to raise it. I'm gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna put like an angle iron piece across the whole thing.
Okay.
And then just tack it to the two spots.
Yep.
So it goes across the whole thing and holds it up.
Perfect.
And then this, I want to make like a bracket that goes to the bottom, like underneath the car, and like bolt it to this so it like holds it like right there, because it's like the wind made it fucking like this, like just driving it made it like come out. So if I could hold it like that, I think it'd be mint. That's good. Be here soon. I'm just gonna have to park it in a spot because I'm gonna open up the front door to let it fucking go out. Or actually, I can just open. Yeah.
Did Kyle have a cover for his car?
Do it out that way. Out the front. What do we got going on out front here?
Probably the same thing that's going on out back.
Even worse, actually. Check it out.
You should not paint anything for at least 4 more hours.
Yeah, right, dude. I have to fucking prime, sand, paint.
Oh geez, I don't want to film this shit. The GoPro's gonna get covered.
Should I shut this door?
Yeah, we should do the intake exhaust method.
I think
Jazzy's here.
Fucking us either way.
Nah, you have to shut the doors down to the fan level. Jazzy just pulled in.
I think this door should just get shut. And just leave that door open like that.
Yeah.
Fine.
That's probably, it'll be fine.
Yeah, see, it's not fucking blowing back in my face now.
But I have collateral damage. Good thing I'll razor blade the GoPro lens if it gets oversprayed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to film from a safe. Jazzy, just pull it out. Pull it out. He already started painting. Impatient bastard.
Where do you want it?
Just put it in a spot.
Okay.
Next, like, being in the front, whatever.
That's the thing, boy. That's the thing.
Oh shit! Jazzy's gonna have working lights,
Yeah,
dude.
she came in clutch with it.
Oh
She even got some
damn!
wiper blades.
Wow, dude. Jazzy's about to have like the not running from the police spec setup.
Yeah.
Like actual lights can be driven on the street.
Hell yeah. Time to hear the tractor. Not a big deal.
This was on the floor. I don't think this is mine.
Never mind.
I found this on the floor. I'm not sure if it was in the. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking feel like it.
Hell yeah.
Fucking made my day.
This shit reeks, dude. They got that going. Got the lull going over here.
Sometimes you can just do like the fingernail test, not where you like dig it in, but you just kind of drag it across it and see if it works. Yeah, start with your light coat, like what you did before.
Started on that one, so
Remember, the light, especially with the red, you're gonna want the light.
the
So,
light.
yeah, you're gonna want to use the light so you can see if there's any spots coming through it.
Fucking hand hurts, dude.
You got the spray paint
I'm
finger.
not gonna be able to jerk off tonight, dude.
Oh, jeez. All right, this is the moment of truth. I've been waiting to see this red the whole time. For 230 bucks or whatever, they better have got it like 95% close at least. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, dude, those cans are nice. Wow. Kind of looks pink at this moment, but
That's how it looked on my last one, too.
this is a really nice red. Wow, look at this. This smells so delicious.
Do I go light?
How many reds did you get?
4.
Oh, that stuff smells like... Tell me it doesn't smell like porta potty blue juice in a brand new porta potty.
Kinda does. AJ, don't worry about cover. Just pack it on there.
What?
Don't worry about getting it covered. Just pack it on there. I'll put a light coat.
Dude, it literally smells like urinal cakes.
Oh, it kind of does.
Right? Like, it smells like toiletry in a public bathroom. Oh, that red is right at me.
Those cans have a really nice big spray pattern.
Yeah, they're super nice cans.
Kind of nice. I'm like working in the shade, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like outside, but in the shade.
Dude, I went out earlier today and it was fucking freezing.
Yeah, it's summertime, dude.
Yeah, why is it 53 degrees in the
We
morning?
live in Alaska.
Reverse global warming, dude.
Where's the sun?
Backwards warming, dude. Global cooling.
Literally only this side has sun.
Agenda 2030. You will own nothing and be happy.
That strip right there is the only part of this bumper that has sun.
Literally right
The
here.
sun is like,
Right there.
yeah, because the sun is fucking like right there. Whole back of the bumper, whole other side dark.
Yeah.
I wanted to see what it looked like, but I guess I get just that.
Yeah, in like
But
2
this
more
side-
hours.
This is the car isn't even fucking like bright. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fuck them.
Well, I see a pressure washer connected to a hose right there.
Yeah, probably
Wash it off. What happens when you wash, like, with the tacky paint still?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, you actually let it dry for a couple more days before you do stupid stuff? Let's see his method here. That actually is working pretty good. It's ganj as fuck, but it's working.
Yeah, it's really ganj.
Picked up some new metal to work with here.
I'm gonna use the flat stock. I'm gonna come out with it, and then I'm gonna like triangulate it to the bottom here. So it's gonna be like an L. And then the other shit, I'm just gonna run straight across because that's what I did in the rear. I don't think you saw. I think I had the bumper on, but should be fine. It's holding the rear on, and the rear seems pretty sturdy, dude. I have to fix this thing because, see, this one looks like it's about to. Oh my god.
Jeez, what is that? Soot from the exhaust?
I don't know, but see how it like. Looks like it. What the fuck? Oh, it'll come off. But yeah, I gotta wash that off. I'll wash that off real quick before we go because I don't want it to let it dry a little bit. You know what I mean? Well, guys, got the rear bumper on. Once again, it's not in the sunlight for some fucking reason, so you can't really see it, but it stayed on. I just drove down the road. Got pretty dirty in there. Maybe that is fucking exhaust soot. I don't know.
Looks like it.
But I have another exhaust put on it anyways. That'll make it not sound as fucking shitty. Like, I hate BMWs, like how they sound. They sound like shit. But this car, it's undisputable. Like fucking thing's mint. You know what I mean?
A-class, yeah.
Put it together. Fucking thing turnkey. First event.
Yeah, it's good to go.
You already know, boys. But rear bumper's on. Thanks for watching. All the shit's in the description. Buy some fucking merch. We're giving away 3 lanterns. See you guys in the next one. Clear.